Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a ride-on Hot Wheels. Today we have the Kick Kart. Kick Kart. Not kit, but kick. It's got a special feature. I don't see any little peoples with it. It doesn't come with anybody. So what's its special feature? It says special feature. It's putting the figures on it. So why doesn't it come with a figure? Designed to attach figures. How will you ride? Well, good thing I have a couple of figures right here and here, but they still look different from the one on the package because they cannot open their arms like that, and neither can the minifigs. I tried using some of the minifigs also, and they don't hold on any better than those two guys. So we're going to go with those two guys right there. Let's get this open. I just opened that yellow one recently. I think it was the last video actually. It gave me the idea to go get one of my ride-ons so we can test them out. I haven't done this in a long time. I did do a video way back in the day when I first started doing them a couple years ago even. But I haven't opened one recently. This one's the Kick Kart. I don't think I've ever opened a Kick Kart. Don't recall it. It looks like they'll be able to hold on to this bar and possibly that front bar right there. All the blue is metal. The bottom is plastic, and this car is made in Malaysia. Is that the steering? Guess that's the steering right there. Like a go-kart. Ride straight, that's for sure. Ooh, that might have been my fault. Yeah, it was. Not the best drifter. It's a heavy car, so that's what happens when you have heavy cars. Once you see it, just goes in parks. Does roll straight though, we said that. Let's take this orange guy right there, and then this guy right there. How's that go? Make sure these are in the way. Don't mind the power tools across the street. Let's get him on a little bit more there. See how this works. Ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! Blast off all right. Now try backwards. Lame. This is lame, this little stupid drifter thing. That was cool. Oh, I'm liking that. Yeah. I gotta open up more aisle drivers so I can have a whole bunch of dudes holding on. How's this for a shot? Thank you to everybody that watched, checked it out with me. That was my first time opening a Kick Kart, I believe. And I would say I like it. Yes, I do. I'm going to make this part of my Timmy's 10 Again toy collection for sure. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you let the whole video play. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again. That's the one I want. That is a cool still shot. Bet I don't get it. Thanks for watching. T10 out.